Welcome to Junk Mail Head Office. My name is Annette Lotter and I am the MD of Junk Mail. Follow me to my office. Like you can see, nothing wrong with dreaming. I am not the MD of Junk Mail. I'm a field sales executive and I've been with Junk Mail a year and 7 months. During this time, I placed fourth in the sales competition and also have been one of the millionaires. Ever since I started the Junk Mail, I've been learning so much and I'm growing every single day. I think with my strong leadership skills, I will be able to lead a team and help them to grow like I've been growing. So this is my video, this is my stand. I am standing up to follow my dreams, and in being part of the Rising Star competition is going to help me achieve this. And maybe one day, just one day, I will be sitting in this chair. Thank you very much.